Hi everyone. So today we are going to deal with the altitude. As I said, we are going to discuss about altitude. We learn definition of altitude, properties of altitude, and how to construct the altitude using set square. So these are the 3 points we are going to cover. So first let us come to the definition of altitude, children. Altitude means perpendicular drawn from the vertex, of the triangle to the opposite side of a triangle is known as altitude. So for this altitude term, children, you should be very much dependent on this one, perpendicular. Perpendicular means line segment that makes angle of 90 degree to the given side is called as perpendicular. So here, children, in a triangle there are 3 vertex. So from each vertex I can draw one perpendicular to the opposite side. That means in all I can draw 3 altitude. So in a triangle there are 3 altitudes. Altitudes are concurrent. What is the meaning of concurrent? Concurrent means from a same point when more than 2 lines passes, then that lines are called concurrent lines and the point is known as concurrent point, point of concurrence. I repeat, from a same point when more than 2 line passes, more than 2 lines, it can be 3, 4, any number, children, but more than 2, then that lines are known as concurrent line, and the point where all this line passes, that point is called as point of concurrence. Now for the altitude, we have special name for this point of concurrence, and that special name is, children, orthocenter. So the point where all the 3 altitude passes through, that point is called as a orthocenter. So in a triangle there are 3 altitudes, as I said. So which is the first altitude you can see in this diagram? AQ is perpendicular to BC, CP is perpendicular to AB, BR perpendicular to AC. So these are the 3 altitudes, segment AQ, segment CP and segment BR, and all this altitude passes through this point O. So these are the few points which you should know, children. Now next we are going to do with the construction of the altitude. So here we will learn, children, constructing the altitude by using set square method. So for constructing the altitude by using set square, what all thing we need? We need a scale, we need set square, pencil. Okay, so we need scale, set square and pencil. So any one of the set square is sufficient, children. So for that purpose, let us come to question number second from practice set 4.1 in your maths textbook, 8th standard. So what is the question given to you, children? Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all its altitudes. Name the point of concurrence as O. Okay. So here, children, I need to draw the altitude, triangle and orthocenter. So first we will draw the triangle, children. So here, children, first we will draw the triangle PQR. Since no measurement is mentioned to you, you can use any measurement, but the triangle should look like acute angle triangle. Now what is the meaning of acute angle triangle, children? Whenever all the 3 angles of a given triangle is less than 90 degree, then that triangle is known as acute angle triangle. So here the triangle I drawn, you can see here, children, the name of the triangle is triangle P, Q and R. So this is the triangle PQR. Now here, children, I need to draw the altitude. I have already drawn, children, but it is not that precise. I will make it more clear. Okay. So what we are going to do, children? We are going to use a set square and we are going to use a scale. So for that purpose, now since there are 3 sides in a triangle, so we can draw 3 altitudes. So you have to decide for which side we are going to draw the altitude. So I decided that I will draw my altitude on this side QR, on this side QR. So for that purpose I will take the scale and I will keep the scale exactly on side QR like this, children. See, it should not be going like this and like this. It should be exactly coinciding with the side QR. See, like this. Fine. Now you will take your set square Now arrange the set square as if it forms the 90 degree with the scale. See, I arrange this like this. You can see, children. Now what you will do, I repeat, what was the definition of the altitude? A perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. So for that purpose this is already perpendicular, लेकिन ये perpendicular मुझे कहाँ से चाहिए? Vertex से चाहिए. So I will move this set square, I will slide this set square on this scale like this, children. So when I am sliding, be very much children, very slowly you will do that, don't be in hurry. So in this way you will slowly slide. And how long you will slide, children? Till the one side of the set square is on the scale. You can see it is touching the scale, but you are going to slide the set square till the other side of set square touches the vertex P, the opposite vertex of the given side, opposite side vertex of the selected side. Okay, so here you can see that, children, the side I got, that is P. So from this P, see like this. So from this P you are supposed to draw a perpendicular like this. See. So now put the perpendicular sign. Now in the same way, children, you will draw it for the another one side I drawn. Now you have to draw for the remaining two sides. So let us select. Now you will select which is the side, which side you are going to draw the altitude. So I am selecting the side PQ now. There is no hard and fast rule कि आपको PQ ही select करना, PR में भी रख सकते. मैंने PQ select किया. I selected side PQ. So I will keep my scale exactly coinciding on this side PQ like this. Now take the set square. As I said, you are going to keep the set square in such a way that it should form 90 degree with the scale. See, the scale is exactly on the side, coinciding the side. Now the set square, see, it forms a 90 degree. Now slowly move the set square, and as I said, how long you will move the set square, how long you will slide the set square. Remember the definition of altitude. From the vertex you should draw the perpendicular. So you will slide the set square unless and until it reaches the opposite vertex. So the opposite vertex here is R. See, it reached the opposite vertex R. So as soon as it touches the opposite vertex R, you will highlight this and draw a perpendicular. See. Now put the perpendicular sign. Don't forget to put the perpendicular sign, children. For altitude it is very important to put the perpendicular sign. So here I gave this name as A. The perpendicular, this point I gave this name as A. So I drawn the two altitude. So the altitude which we drawn now is PM. First one we drawn the PM, and the second altitude we drawn is RN. Now one more altitude we have to draw. Now children, तीसरा altitude draw करने के लिए हमको ये set square का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. हमको we already got the point where both the altitude meet. That point is point O, and this point O is nothing but the ortho center. तो जहाँ पे दो altitude मिला, तीसरा भी उधर ही मिलने वाला, आपको पक्का पता है. तो हम लोग तीसरा डायरेक्टली क्या करेगा, जस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्केल एंड पेंसिल यू विल जॉइन दिस Q एंड ऑर्थो सेंटर O. खाली यहाँ तक जॉइन नहीं करना, एक्सटेंड करना. हाउ लॉन्ग यू विल एक्सटेंड? टिल इट टचेस द ऑपोजिट साइड. डेफिनेशन ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड, एंड देन पुट द परपेंडिकुलर साइड. सो विच आर द थ्री एल्टीट्यूड्स, चिल्ड्रन? हियर द थ्री एल्टीट्यूड्स आर द थ्री एल्टीट्यूड्स विच वी ड्रॉन फॉर दिस ट्राइंगल्स आर segment PM, first altitude. The second altitude is segment ER, and the third altitude is segment QN. PM, AR and QN, and the point O here is ortho center. Very much clear, children. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, so in this way you are supposed to draw the altitude, children. Same thing, same method you are going to draw the altitude for the obtuse angle triangle also. So how to draw the altitude for the obtuse angle triangle? First we draw the triangle element. It is clear to all of you. You can see here, children. First we draw the triangle element. this is L, this is M, and this is an obtuse angle triangle. No measurement is given. Question number 4, no measurement is given. So you can take any measurement. Obtuse angle triangle means one, you should remember that one angle should be greater than 90 degree. So here angle LMN is that angle. So we draw on that obtuse angle triangle with the help of a scale and pencil. Now we have to draw the altitude. As I said, altitude means perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side of the triangle. अभी यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रेन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्राइंगल में आपको ध्यान देना है, यू शुड रिमेंबर दैट altitude while you are drawing the altitude, the orthocenter comes out. How? कैसा होता है ये? Let us do the construction. As I said, suppose मुझे MN, I am drawing the altitude for side MN. So मुझे अगर MN पे altitude बनाना है तो मुझे स्केल MN पे रखना है. मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे MN का altitude चाहिए, तो I will keep the scale like this. ठीक है, and then I will take the set square. I will take my set square. Okay, I took my set square, children, and now is set square. As I said, तुम set square को भी you have to place the set square on the scale so that it forms a right angle like this. Now slide the set square slowly in such a way that the other side of set square touches the vertex of that opposite side. अभी ये opposite side तुम्हारा MN है, तो उसका वर्टेक्स क्या हो गया? L. तो कब तक मूव करना है? जब तक ये तुम्हारा सेट स्क्वायर का अदर साइड L पे टच नहीं हो रही है. सो यू कैन सी दिस, आई एम स्लोली मूविंग दिस सेट स्क्वायर. सो फाइनली इट टचेस दिस वर्टेक्स L. जैसा टच हुआ, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्केल यू विल ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर. सो आई ड्रॉ ऑन द परपेंडिकुलर. नाउ व्हाट कैन आई सी? मेरा साइड तो यहाँ तक ही है, तो मुझे साइड को भी एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा. साइड को भी आई विल एक्सटेंड दिस साइड टिल हियर. सी, मैंने साइड को भी एक्सटेंड किया और ये परपेंडिकुलर साइन दिया. गॉट इट? इन द सेम वे नाउ आई विल फिक्स. मुझे LM से बनाना है परपेंडिकुलर, मुझे LM में परपेंडिकुलर बनाना है. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ? स्केल LM के ऊपर रखने वाली हूँ. आई विल कीप द स्केल ऑन साइड LM, देन टेक द सेट स्क्वायर, you will place it on the scale like this, such a way that they forms a 90 degree. Now slowly you slide the set square. How long you will slide? You know the property of definition of the altitude, till the vertex, till it touches the opposite vertex. तो ये इसका LM का opposite vertex क्या है? N. तो जब तक वो N पे टच नहीं हो रही, हमको इस तरह मूव करना है. So as soon as it touches the N, we are supposed to extend this. एक्सटेंड कर लो, join करो. So this is perpendicular. Now what you will do with this side? इस साइड को भी हमको एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा. We'll extend this side also, children. ये साइड को भी हमने एक्सटेंड कर दिया. So where this meet, they forms a perpendicular sign. They forms a perpendicular sign. Now what will I do, children? अभी मुझे दोनों perpendicular तो मिला, लेकिन they are not intersecting. तो for where they will to form the, so where there is orthocenter form. मैंने क्या orthocenter मतलब जहाँ पे तुम्हारा perpendicular मिल रही है. So मुझे वो point मालूम पड़ने के लिए, the point where the altitude meet, what should I do? ये मैं क्या कर, altitude को extend करने वाली हूँ. I will extend the altitude like this. ये मैंने altitude को extend किया, और मेरा दूसरा altitude ये है, मैंने इसको भी extend किया. So what I got? See, here I got this point 2. Here I got this point 2. I got orthocenter. Once I got orthocenter, what will I do, children, now? So तीसरा वाला altitude बनाने के लिए हम लोग कोई मेहनत नहीं करने वाले. डायरेक्टली orthocenter और opposite vertex को join करो. vertex को side के साथ, इसका ये vertex है, उसका side सामने ये वाला आएगा, इसके साथ join करो and give this name. ये हो गया MP. So the name here is, I gave this name as MP. So which are the three altitudes here, children? The altitudes here I have drawn are, first is segment MP, second is segment LQ, and third altitude is segment NR. These are the three altitude, MP, LQ and NR. Here the orthocenter is outside the triangle for obtuse angle triangle, but for acute angle triangle the orthocenter is inside the triangle. So in this way children, one more sum is left that you will try. I hope this method is clear for you. So do try this sum. Thank you children.